So guys, you have been learning English for years, classes, apps, YouTube videos, and yet the moment someone speaks to you in English, your mind goes blank completely. That is not a grammar problem, that is not an intelligence problem, that is a habit problem. And today we will fix it. So guys, we all know this feeling. Someone asks you a simple question in English, what do you do for a living? And suddenly you are translating from your native language, and by word in your head. By the time you figure out the answer, the moment has passed. Or you are in a meeting watching an English movies, scrolling through content, you understand most of it, but the second you have to speak, everything disappears. Understanding English and speaking English are two completely skills. You have been training only one of them. People most people spend 90% of their timing reading and listening, and almost zero time actually producing the language. That's the gap, and that's exactly what we are going to close today. Before we get into the how, I need to destroy one belief that is holding you back, and the belief is I need to perfect my grammar before I start speaking. Think about how you learned your first language. Did anyone sit you down and explain verb sentences before you spoke first word? No. You listened, you just imitated, you made mistakes, and you improved. English works the exact same way. Grammar is learned through speaking, not the other way around. The fastest clearers in the world don't wait until they are ready. They speak badly, then they speak better. Now let's talk about where to actually learn without spending single rupee. Channels like BBC Learning English, English with Lucy channels, you can follow her. Learn English with TV series are completely free. Watch one video a day, but here's the key. Don't just watch, repeat every sentence. Speak aloud, pause, rewind, speak. This is called shadowing, and it is one of the most powerful techniques that exists. Duolingo is also very good apps where you can practice 10 minutes every morning to build vocabulary. Elsa speak to fix your pronunciation. It actually listens to you and tells you exactly what to correct. It's like having a pronunciation coach in your pocket. Okay guys, watch any English show or movie but use English subtitles, not your native language. Watch a scene, then reply it, then cover the subtitles and say the same lines yourself. You will observe rhythm, tone, and natural phrases that no textbook will never teach you. Join online communities, Reddit's, English Learning, Discover servers, language exchange apps like Tandem or like HelloTalk. You can practice there, talk to real people. Nobody is there judging to you. They are all learning just like you. The question everyone wants, how long will this take? Here is the honest answer. If you give 30 to 45 minutes every single day, you will hold a basic English conversation confidently within 3 months. You will speak fluently within 6 months. But that only works if you are consistent. Studying 5 hours on Sunday and nothing for the rest of the week does not work for you. The brain learns language through repetition, spread over time, not through one lesson. 30 minutes every day beats 5 hours every weekend. Every single time, consistency is the only shortcut that actual works. Here is the exact daily routine. I recommend total 45 minutes, cost zero. Guys, while getting ready, play an English podcast or YouTube video through your earphones. Don't sit and study. Just let it run. Your brain observes natural speech patterns passively. Start your day in English. Think in English, narrate your day silently in your head. I had meeting, it was a long It was a long, I need coffee, simple sentence, no pressure. This rewires your brain to think in English automatically. Stand it in front of mirror to talk to yourself in English. Describe your day, talk about a topic like or just ramble. Nobody is watching. This is your safe to practice without fear. Watch one short English video or a scene from a show. English subtitles. Pick one phrase you loved. Say it out loud 3 times. Sleep your brain consolidates it overnight. Fluency is not speed. Speaking clearly and slowly sounds far more impressive than rushing and stumbling. Native speakers pause, they breathe, they choose their words. Give yourself that permission to stop memorizing individual words. Instead, learn phrases and chunks. To be honest with you, I was wondering if that makes total sense. These are the building blocks of natural English. Stop upon them when you need thinking time. Don't say or go silent. Use smart bridges. That's a really interesting questions. Or let me think about that for a second. You sound composed. You buy time. Win. The person who speaks broken English confidently always wins over the person who knows perfect English but never opens their minds. Mistakes are proof that you are practicing. Wear them like a badge. I want to say something before we finish. English is not a measure of your intelligence. It is simply a skill. Like swimming, like driving, like cooking. You were not born knowing how to do any of those things either, but somewhere along the way, most of us attached our self-worth to our English ability. We felt embraced in front of others. We stayed quiet when we wanted to speak. We let a language hold us back from opportunities, from connections, from being fully heard. The world does not need your perfect English, it needs your voice. Start there. I was in exactly the same place. I made every mistake in the book. I still do sometimes. But I kept going, and slowly the language became mine. It can become yours too. 30 minutes a day starting today. That is everything for today. If even one thing in this video click for you, drop the word start in the comments right now. That one word is your commitment to yourself, and it costs you nothing. If you want to tell me, make full 30-day English speaking challenge video with a daily plan, can follow step by step like this video. If it hits 500 likes, that videos goes live next week. Subscribe if you have not already. I posted practical content this every week. No fluff, no flair, just stuff that actually works. See you in the next one. Keep speaking, keep growing. Thank you so much, guys.